Hey folks, you guys ever have a low brake pedal, but yet everything is good? The rotors are good, brake pads have enough meat inside and out, there's no air in the system, but you still have a low brake pedal. You want to know what it is? Right here, your caliper sliding bolts. See these? Look at this. Switch hands here. They are absolutely frozen. If they move them, it's just a rubber boot I'm moving actually. But yeah, this is the problem right here. Okay, they don't slide. So the way that the calipers work, when the piston comes out from the inside, the piston will push on this brake pad, and with the force, this outside caliper will push and pull and go this way. So it kind of like squeezes together. So the piston comes out, the caliper slides, and the caliper pushes up on these the outside brake pads. All right, that's the way it looks. Let me see if I can show it to you. Gonna mark it up for you. Little bogus thing here. Okay, like I said, the caliper, when you push in, the caliper is gonna come out, and it's gonna hit this brake pad normally. And what happens is that these sliders, they slide. So what's going to happen is that when the piston comes out, this is going to slide this way. So it's going to force the outside shoe this way while it's being squeezed by the caliper piston. Okay, but if the caliper is frozen, okay, like right now, it's not sliding. All you're getting is just the caliper brake pad applying. So all you're doing is just stepping on this inside pad, touching the rotor. The outside one is not even working. It might work a little bit sometimes while it's still new pads, but otherwise it's not sliding. It's called the sliding caliper. So the motion, the caliper slides this way while the caliper piston goes this way. Do you understand what I mean? It's kind of hard to explain, but the whole idea is they're supposed to slide, and these little buggers over here are supposed to slide. Okay, look at this. Gonna get a new one, and I'm gonna show you what the new one looks like. Okay, but I'm here to do the bearing. But while I'm here, that's one of the problems. Hey folks, this is my friend Richie over here. He's gonna show you what a nice caliper is gonna slide nicely. See that? Just go back and forth. See how easy it is? Much different than the one that I had in the car, right? That's the way it should work. All right, thanks Rich.
No problem, Al.